Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is ratio and proportion. We will discuss some example. I already explained the first part of the ratio and proportion. If we want to find the ratio between two number, we can find the ratio if they have the same unit. Here there are three questions and you can say all have the different unit. यहाँ days है, यहाँ hours है, यहाँ पर किलोमीटर है, मीटर है, किलोग्राम, ग्राम. Solution of the second part, first number. हम लिखेंगे फर्स्ट नंबर इज इक्वल टू 3 days. R is smaller than days, so we can change days into hours. You know, in a day there are 24 hours, so multiply 24. ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे since 1 day is equal to 24 hours is equal to 72 hours. Other number, other is equal to 30 hours. So required ratio is equal to 72. ये फर्स्ट है, फर्स्ट प्लेस पर लिखना है. ऑर्डर का बी केयरफुल अबाउट देयर ऑर्डर. जो पहले है उसको पहले लिखना है, जो बाद में उसको बाद में लिखना है. कैंसिल कर देंगे 6 से. 6 12 जा और 5 जा. वी कैन कैंसिल बोथ द नंबर इफ दे आर हैविंग द कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ द रेशियो. रेशियो की दोनों नंबर को हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, तो रेशियो बिकम 12:5. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. हियर द फर्स्ट नंबर is equal to 1 kilometer, which can be changed, is equal to 1000 meter. In bracket you can write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Other number, other is equal to 360 meter. Now both have the same unit, so we can find ratio, so required ratio. If they have the different unit, then we can't find the ratio. Is equal to 1000 ratio 360. 0 से 0 कैंसिल कर देंगे, 4 से कैंसिल करेंगे 25 और 9, so required ratio 25:9. Now the fourth part, first number is equal to 1 kg, which can be changed into gram, is equal to 1000 gram. ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Other is equal to 150 gram. So required ratio is equal to 1000 ratio 150. 0 से 0 कैंसिल कर देंगे, 5 से दोनों कैंसिल हो जाती हैं, 5 2 जा. So required ratio is equal to 20:3. So these are the some examples when we want to convert them into the form of ratio. Now the example number 5th. Fifth example, the cost of an eraser is 80 paisa. Example 5th, solution, cost of an eraser is equal to 80 paise and cost of pencil is equal to ₹2. Now you can see both have the different unit, so we have to change them into same unit. So you know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, so in 2 rupee become 200 paise. So required, he is asking here to find the what is the ratio of their cost. So ratio of their cost इज इक्वल टू 80:200. जिसका नाम पहले आता है उसको पहले लिखना है. 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 4 2 जा 4 5 जा, so ratio become 2:5. Now the next example, number 6. This is very important. In this example we have to divide the amount. So example number 6, solution, total amount is equal to, total amount which need to be divided is equal to rupees 840. Ratio of their part, ratio of Amit and Tanvi's share is equal to 5:7. So what you to do in this question, the ratio and the total amount is given, we have to divide the ratio among Amit and Tanvi. So what you do, you find the sum of the ratio. सम ऑफ रेशियो, इसका सम फाइंड करेंगे. रेशियो जो भी रेशियो हमारा इसका 5 + 7 = 12. नाउ यू कैन राइट शेयर, अमित शेयर, शेयर ऑफ अमित या अमित शेयर, अमित का पार्ट ऑफ अमित, जो भी अमित का रेशियो है 5, टोटल रेशियो डिवाइड कर रहे हैं मल्टीप्लाई बाई टोटल अमाउंट. सिमिलरली तन्वी शेयर, तन्वी शेयर इज इक्वल टू 7/12 इंटू 840. ये कैंसिल कर देंगे, 7 जा तो 7 490 इज द शेयर ऑफ तन्वी. 4 7 जा 5 350 will be the share of Amit. So this is the method by which we can divide the amount between 2 or 3. So many questions will be there in exercise, so you can let them as the sample of the exercise questions. Next question, example number 7, total amount solution. Here total amount is equal to, which need to be divided between ABC, is rupees, total amount is equal to rupees 1350. Ratio is equal to 2:3:4. आपको जो भी रेशियो डिवाइड करना है, आपको सम फाइंड करना होगा. सम ऑफ रेशियोज is equal to 2 + 3 + 4 is equal to 9. So you can write A's share is equal to 2/9, A का पार्ट अपॉन सम इंटू टोटल 350. 9 से कैंसिल कर देंगे, इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 300. B's share is equal to 3/9 into 1350. Always try to cancel these number. ये हमेशा सेम नंबर पे कैंसिल मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी. रुपीज 450 और C शेयर इज इक्वल टू 4/9 इंटू 1350 कैंसिल कर देंगे. 15 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 600 विल बी द आंसर. तो we can divide the amount between 2 3 4, so many. We have to find the sum. Now the next question, this is very important. Example number 8, we have the ratio of A ratio. Solution, here we have ratio of A ratio B is equal to 5:8. B ratio C is equal to 18:25. We have to find the ratio of A ratio C or A ratio B ratio C. What he can ask in the question. So what you do, you write in this way, A ratio B ratio C. A ratio B लिखेंगे 5:8, B ratio C लिखेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. ये लाइन बिल्कुल आगे खाली छोड़ देंगे। 18:25, आप 18 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 18 5 जा 90, 18 8 जा 144 और 25 जा 200. So if he is asking ratio between ABC, so the ratio become, you can cancel if any number can be cancelled. Or if he here he, so A ratio C, what is asking, you can write 90:200, 0 से 0 cancel हो गया, equal to 9:20. Okay, thank you to attend the class.